Baby, I love you. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you smile. I love the way you laugh. I love the way that you do those small, quirky things that no one knows about. I love those things. I love the look on your face when you get nervous. I love the look on your face when you're extremely happy and everything is going well. I love the look on your face when you look at me. I love the way you love me. I feel like your love is unmatched. Even the way you dress. You look amazing. Your body looks amazing. Every time I see you, I'm instantly turned on by you. The way you look, the way you laugh, the way you move. All of you. Baby, I want all of you. I don't want anything to separate me and you, baby. I want to put my heart against your heart. And I want to hold you. I want to hold you and squeeze you tightly. I want to drift off into those favorite songs that you like to play. I love those songs. It always makes me think about you. Last night was crazy. Ooh. How did you do that? You had me feeling so crazy. Ooh. Where did you learn that trick? You know what? I never say this, but take my credit card. You deserve it. You deserve everything. Oh, I want to spoil you so bad, the way you spoil me. Oh, I still can't believe you made me sound like that. That negligee you wore was so sexy. I love every curve of your body. I want to kiss every curve of your body. When I'm at work, I can't concentrate. All I can think about is you. The way you make me feel. The way you talk to me. The way you oiled my body after my shower. Oh, you're so amazing. How did I get so lucky? Just thinking about it sometimes gets me a little overwhelmed. I want to love you. I want to care for you. I want to hold you every night close to my body. I want to leave you fulfilled and happy every day you leave here. I want to cook for you. I want to sing to you. I want to hum your favorite songs until you fall asleep in my arms. I love you. I never thought I'd feel this way. When you get off work, meet me at the airport. I booked us a plane ticket to an island where we can just relax and watch waterfalls and drink cocktails and laugh, hug, kiss, explore the jungle. jungle, overlooking the waterfall, or maybe with the sweet sounds of the ocean, or the ocean waves crashing slowly against the beach as we get deeper into love making.